Let me show you an optical illusion. You'll notice that there are two blocks here. This one appears to be darker, dark gray, and this one is light gray. No? But it is our eyes that are deceiving us. For if I cut a piece of this block and slide it down, you'll notice that it is exactly the same shade, the same color. If I do the same here, cut a piece here and slide it up, you'll notice that it is exactly the same color. If I put that piece here and cut another piece here, put it side by side, you'll notice that they are exactly the same shade, the same color. Can you now still trust your eyes? Thank you for watching.